Hello everyone. Today, let's learn about colors. Color is called
色、
and when you count colors in Japanese, you use the word.
色、
In this illustration, there are 3 colors, so you say.
3色、
This kanji also has another reading.
四季、
For example, in the word
景色、
scenery, uses this reading. Let's take a look at each color.
赤、
It means red. As an adjective, it becomes.
赤い。
Example sentence.
この赤いリンゴは美味しいです。
This red apple is delicious.
青、
It means blue. As an adjective, it becomes.
青い。
Example sentence.
私は青いバケツを買いました。
I bought a blue bucket.
白、
It means white. As an adjective, it becomes.
白い。
Example sentence.
かわいい白い猫がいます。
There is a cute white cat.
黒、
It means black. As an adjective, it becomes.
黒い。
Example sentence.
この黒い鳥はカラスです。
This black bird is a crow.
黄、
Yellow. As an adjective, it becomes.
黄色い。
Example sentence.
黄色いドレスを着た猫。
Cat in a yellow dress.
茶、
Brown. As an adjective, it becomes.
茶色い。
Example sentence.
私は茶色いカバンが好きです。
I like brown bags. Let's review.
色、赤、青、白、黒、黄、茶。
Well done. Can you say your favorite color in Japanese? See you in the next video.